In today's video, I'm going to teach you ways to sum a column in Google Sheets. If you need a quick total for a list of numbers in Google Sheets, there are several easy ways to do it. And each one is useful in different situations. I'll walk you through them clearly so you can choose the method that works best for your spreadsheet. First, you can use the sum formula manually. Start by selecting an empty cell where you want the total to appear. Then type equals sum, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the range you want to add together. If you want to sum a fixed range, type something like a 2 through a 10. This is helpful when you know the exact cells you want included. If you want to sum an open-ended column that can keep growing over time, type a 2 through a. That tells Google Sheets to include everything from cell A2 downward, including future rows you may add later. Once your range is entered, type a closing parenthesis and press enter. Google Sheets will immediately calculate the total. Another simple method is to use the built-in functions menu. Click the cell where you want the total to go. Then look to the top right area of the toolbar and find the functions icon, shown as a sigma symbol. Click it and choose Sum from the drop-down menu. Google Sheets will insert the formula for you. This lets you visually confirm the exact range. When the correct cells are selected, press Enter to complete the calculation. If you only want to quickly view the total without inserting a formula into the sheet, T here is an even faster option. Highlight the target cells in your column. Then look at the bottom right corner of the Google Sheets window. You'll see a summary area that displays the total next to the sum label. This is useful for quick checks when you don't need a permanent result in a cell. You can also click that area to view other metrics, such as the average or the count, which can be helpful when reviewing data. Finally, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, select the target cell where the total should appear. Before using this method, make sure compatible spreadsheet shortcuts are enabled in the Help menu. Then press Alt, H, U, and S on Windows. After that, select your column data and press Enter. This completes the sum using the shortcut workflow. Those are some of the easiest ways to sum a column in Google Sheets. Whether you want a permanent formula, a quick preview, or a faster keyboard-based method,